بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you learned your previous lecture, that was ascending and descending order. Today I have a new topic to teach you which is same like ascending and descending order. That is, the topic is increasing order and decreasing order. But there is little difference in ascending descending order and increasing decreasing order, which I will teach you today. Now open page 19 and look at your new topic, increasing and decreasing order. Numbers up to 999. It means the numbers will not more than 999. Now look at increasing order. There is an example for you. The example is of balloons. Look at the balloons. Look at the small balloon. This balloon is the smallest, but when it blows, the balloon increases and it is now increasing more and more, like this. Look, there is repetition of number. The difference in increasing decreasing order and ascending descending order is what? In increasing decreasing order, there is repetition in numbers. There is repetition of numbers in the given set of numbers for increasing and decreasing order. As Ali is blowing the balloon, the size of balloon is increasing. So, increasing means to get larger from smaller. Look at the example. This is the smaller balloon. But when Ali is blowing, it is increasing and going to large. Now it get more larger. Now look. Now turn page number 20 and look at the example of increasing order. Look at example 17. Arrange the numbers in increasing order. First of all, remember that when you arrange the numbers, you will check hundreds first, then tens and ones of each number for arrangement. When we arrange these numbers, we will take care of their place values. Now look at the solution of the numbers. We have 100, 102, 13, and look, the difference is looking here. This number is repeating in increasing order. This number is repeating in increasing order. 104, 109, 111, 113. So how will we solve it? The solution is, first of all, you will look ones, tens and hundreds. This is the lowest number. After 100 is 102, 102. After 102 is 103. But this 103 is repeating again here. We will write here again 103. Then 104, 109. After 19 is 111. And then the last and greater number is 113. The numbers are going to increase. They are increasing. Look, from the smallest to the larger number. Now come to example 18. Arrange the following numbers in increasing order. We have two parts, A part and B parts. Look at the numbers 318, 218, 118, 418, 518, 328, 541, 203, 210. Part B 689, 189, 789, 589, 889, 999, 989, 389, 689, 688 and 588. Students, we will solve it here in these boxes. We will write it in arranged form in increasing order. Therefore, look at the numbers. We will find the smallest number first. Look at the hundreds place value 2, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 1. Student 118. In hundreds place value 1 is the smallest number, therefore 118 is the smallest number, we kept it first. After 100, in 100 place value the smallest number is 2. But we have 3 numbers in 200s. That is 218 2 times. It is repeating. Look students, it is repeating here. And 203. 203 is less than 218, that is why we kept here, we wrote in the box 203. After this we write 218. We will repeat it again and we will write it here in the box. Now look, after 200 we have also the number in 300s. There are two numbers in 300s place value, that is 318 and 328. So 318 is smaller than 328. We will write first 318 here and then 328. We haven't more numbers in 300, therefore we will search in these numbers the place value of 400, which is 418. So we will write here 408. After 400 the turn is of 500s. So we have two numbers in 500s place value, that is 518 and 541. So we will write 518 first because it is the smallest number, then it is the smaller than 541. So we will write first 518 then 541. So look at, we arrange these numbers in increasing order because there is 218 which is repeating here, and increasing order mean going upward but there is repetition of number. Now look at part B, 689. We will find first the smallest number. 600, we will first find the smallest number but search in hundreds place value. The smallest number is 100. 100 and there is no any other number in 100. So the smallest number is 189. It is already written in the box. After this we will search it the other smaller number which is 389. Then we will write here 389. After 389 we will search another small number, that is 588 and then 589. Now search another number which is greater than 500 and that is 6 hundredth place value. There are three numbers in 600s, that is 689, 689, 688. Student, look, these both numbers are same. So we will write both the numbers first here, then 689. Now look, 689 is repeating here. After 688, 689, 689, 789, 889, 989. Students, I am repeating again that there is little difference in ascending order and increasing order. That is, increasing order. In increasing order, there is repetition of numbers. There is repetition of numbers in increasing order. I hope you got my point. Student, your homework is to write example 18 in your neat notebook and in your book. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.